Starting a web hosting company has become much more streamlined in today's modern day thanks to an increasing amount of technology, control panel software, and resources now more accessible than ever before. If you're curious about starting your very own web hosting company, in this video, we will go over the different types of hosting services so you can make an informed decision about your potential product offering. In the video description below, I will be linking to another video of ours that touches on this same topic of how to start a web hosting company. So be sure to check that one out. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So we'll go ahead and get started by describing what shared hosting is. Shared hosting is a basic type of hosting service and typically a service for individuals or new businesses would opt for. When websites or businesses outgrow the shared hosting environment, they tend to upgrade to a virtual private server, also known as a VPS, which we'll get to later. Moving on to reseller hosting. Now, reseller hosting is one step above shared hosting service. While similar to shared hosting, oftentimes reseller hosting resources are a lot more abundant. A reseller hosting account allows you to create additional sub-users or additional hosting accounts, which allows for you to start selling hosting accounts to your customers without the worry of managing your own server. In other words, no technical background or experience is required. Now, if you're looking to begin selling shared hosting accounts, a reseller hosting account would be the perfect start. Keep in mind that reseller hosting accounts do not offer root access to the server though, meaning you would have limited control over the server itself and would be reliant upon your hosting provider to make any server-wide changes. You would also want to consider a billing platform to help automate account provisioning, billing, and more. We recommend Client Exec for this, which by the way, Racnerd provides for all of its reseller customers with a free Client Exec license. If you like what you're hearing so far, but want to know about the next level, stick around because we're now going to talk about VPSs, which stands for Virtual Private Server. Now, a virtual private server provides you with more control as you receive full root access to your server. How does a VPS work? Well, a physical server hosts multiple virtual servers, each isolated from one another. This isolation is accomplished with virtualization software such as KVM. The virtualization software properly segments the physical server and keeps VPS servers separate from the rest. This way, other virtual private servers hosted within that same physical host are unable to view your files or make any impacting changes on your server. Now, each VPS runs on its own operating system, again, independent of your virtual machines hosted upon the physical server. Every VPS is its own independent server. Each VPS can also be rebooted independently. Here's a simple explanation of a VPS using this real-life example. Picture a large pizza. That is the physical server. Each slice of pizza, the VPS, varies in size or hardware resources. As each slice is independent, you are isolated from the other slices. Now, a VPS is more cost-effective than a dedicated server, but offers less resources than you would receive with one. A common use case for a VPS is a growing website or business that demands more resources than a shared hosting platform can offer. Also, for those looking to start a web hosting company that offers both shared and reseller hosting, a VPS can be a great choice. You can install a control panel software such as DirectAdmin or cPanel on your VPS server in order to accomplish this. Now, moving on to the last type of product in the hosting world, and that is a dedicated server. Now, a dedicated server is true to its name. In essence, a dedicated server is a physical server housed within a data center where the hardware resources are fully dedicated to you. Dedicated servers typically offer larger resource capacity than most virtual private servers. A medium-sized business would typically host their website and applications upon a dedicated server. Additionally, if you're looking to start a web hosting company or are already running one with a dedicated server, you can split these up into slices as we explained with the VPS software and begin selling VPS hosting services yourself. By the way, I'll also include a link in the description down below on how you can get started with your own VPS business. Whether you're looking to start your own web hosting company or you're looking to host a website, just not entirely sure which direction to take, please feel free to contact RackNerd's experts for help. We can guide you every step of the way and custom tailor a solution to accomplish your goals. Check us out online at racknerd.com or shoot us an email at sales@racknerd.com, and we'd be more than happy to discuss some options with you. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.